Today I'm going to show you how to replace the license plate lights on a 2007 Toyota Camry. This happens to be the XLE, but it's the same for all of them. Your license plate lights are located here and here. This black thing in the center is the button that you would press to open the trunk. Now, your car will be different if it's not this car, which happens to be a 2007 Toyota Camry, but the idea is mostly the same. As far as putting the bulbs in, it is for the most part completely the same. You have to get these snaps out. All you need is a regular flat blade screwdriver, and just come in here, kind of put your thumb on it and pull, and the whole thing comes right out. Don't lose these. It's a good idea to get like a plastic cup and put them in there so you won't lose them. So now I'm going to remove all the rest of those little snaps there so we can take this felt cover off to access where the bulbs go. And there we are. Now it's removed. These are the license plate bulbs right here. So all we have to do is twist and pull out. And there is one. Twist, pull out, and there's the second one. Now we have to pull the bulbs out of the socket. So just grab the bulb and work it out of the socket. You have to just wiggle it, and eventually it will pull out just like that. And now we can put the new bulb in. Now these bulbs have a polarity to them. They look the same on both sides. So really what this is a 50-50 shot of getting it right first try. So just plug it on in, do the same for the other side, and then put your headlights on and check. If they don't work, pull it out, flip it around, and put it back. So let me go ahead and install these bulbs now. You just line it up, and it's a little wedge that just pushes in. Just like that, plain and simple. Now we'll try to get this bulb out. There we go, pulls right out. And we'll go ahead and stick this in. And that's in just like that. Now I'll go put the lights on. Well, I got lucky. They worked first try. So now we have to go ahead and put them in. So let's shut the lights off first. And now we'll go ahead and reinstall. So just push it up in there. And it has to be at an angle. Hopefully you can see this. Where instead of being straight this way, it's a little, this connector is a little pointing toward the front of the car. Push it up and twist it back, and it'll lock in. Then we do the same on the other side. Now we have this in. This one points toward the rear of the vehicle, jutting out at that angle, and twist to lock in place. And now we have to go ahead and put the felt cover back on. Now just to show you these, the way they go in, keep that pin pulled out as it is there. And these little prongs, sometimes you'll have to try to sort of squeeze them together as you push it through the hole. And once you get it, you push the pin and it'll lock it in place. Your easiest shot is going to be to put the thing up, the felt pad, and pin this one in place, because that's sort of a central location where it will kind of hold it so you can get all the rest in. So we just pick it on up. If you have one of these child anti-lock in the trunk things. Just make sure you feed it through the slot. Okay, like that. And it just sort of sits there. Now I have the hole lined up. So all I have to do now is push this back in. Now it's in. And push the pin to lock. And now it'll stay in place. So now we just have to go ahead and put all the rest of the pins back. Now, of course, it doesn't look like much now, being that it's light out, but I'll show you actually what it looks like when it shines down late tonight when it's dark out. And here you can see what it looks like with the LEDs in. Certainly a lot brighter and a lot nicer. So really not a hard job at all. Pretty simple, actually. Say, if this video helped you out, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know I did a good job making this video, and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.